Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm that girl Nikki. So today I'll be making some green banana porridge for you guys. So here I'm just peeling off the banana skin to get it chopped up and placed in the blender to blend together. So just stick around and you'll see what I do next. So now I've added my bananas to my blender as well as some water, and I've added some flour just for thickening. So I'm just gonna put the lid on and have that blended together. So I've added some water boiling with salt in it. I'm just going to go ahead and add my mixture in. While adding your mixture in, ensure that once you have added it in, you go ahead and start to stir the pot so that it prevents any lump and that your porridge be smooth and creamy. So once you see I've added it, you see I start stirring. And then like the lumps that you see in it, once you continue to stir, you will definitely get out those lumps and everything, and also prevents any sticking or burning of the porridge at the bottom of the pot. Alright? Okay, so our coconut milk is what we're going to use to get our porridge nice and creamy. So now I'm just going to mix that out in a cup and just add it to the porridge and get that boiling, alright? So next I'll be adding my vanilla for flavoring. Also I will be adding some cinnamon powder I have, and I'm going to grate some nutmeg I have. And once I've added all my ingredients together, I'm just going to go ahead and mix them around and just have my porridge boiling until it's done. See how smooth and creamy that looks? Yes, that's the texture that you want to go for with your porridge. So I'm just going to continue to mix around to get rid of all lumps and everything. And once that is done, I'll just go ahead and add my sugar at the end for sweetening. So this is the end results, guys. I just added some extra sugar on top, so I'm gonna go ahead and drink my porridge now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.